Hello, welcome in 8th part. Today I will show you how to create a data schema for TextLite. I already draw some high-level schema. It's in Czech language, so I think you will not understand it, but it's not for you, it's for me and for the client. So I have also this high-level data schema. It contains roughly all tables that we need. Maybe there are some missing, but I, for example, think notification table is missing, but don't worry. Let's create them after. This is just for now. So as I have those tables created, I will start a session in Cloud. I will give him data. I need C# entities with entity configuration. Don't nest objects. Use on goods as IDs. We use Postgres. Required or maximum negatives are reset reset 56. Yeah, 5000, sorry. Sometimes I will speak Czech when I'm in stress or sorry. Right, yes. So let's wait for Cloud. Yeah, don't waste time. No. So you need to set up the response properly. Then you can save a lot of time. Yeah, I see there are no index. But I'm thinking about to create index later. But no, yeah. Please give me indexes also. Okay, yeah, unique email, phone. Yes, better, better. I can create it manually, but I think this is the base, and if we will need something more, then we just update or add a new line. It's better to add than to write. I don't know how many. I think a lot lines, maybe 1000. But this, I don't want this. Yeah, so I still need to go through it and remove those shits. Somebody use it. It's, I think, easier, faster, but until you have complicated application, then this starts to slow your development and broke your design, and you will end up with many methods and many repository shits. And yeah, why? Database is just about to have data somewhere, not to keep relations and such things. Yeah, just save the ID and load things by ID. Not code does not need to know this. Yeah, because the optimization, you let the entity framework to optimize code there, but you can optimize by your own if you don't have these shits. Yeah. I see this. I need to remove it from it. Okay, so we have maybe all. Okay, so now go to text slide, to entities, and I have this driver entity what I created before. So let's try to create what's first. What's first? Driver. Okay. So let's be in driver entity. Let's go below it and see what is there. 70 lines. Okay. Mm-hmm. ID name, first name, yes. No last name. I will like Barrett until first name, last name. Okay. Birth date we have. Address we need. Email is verified. Is approved by admin. Created ad we have. Barrett until we need. Email we need. Is admin verified we need. And that's all. Driver entity. Yes. And this is the configuration. Max first name 50. You still need to go through AI generated code. You see, there's a lot of work. Maybe it's better to write myself. Okay, 50, 250. Maybe some indexes on email. Everything wrong, everything wrong. Okay, it's driver. Now go through car. I think we'll create it. No, because we need entity. Yes. ID name. Seats. Sorry. Manufacture date. Make photo. Yes, I think it's okay. Indexes. Okay. Go back. Customer. ID name. Address custom tax. This will be long. Address will be long. Name should be this. Type could be this. What car is? Name, color. I can explain. I can imagine that there can be color with this size. Sign maybe no. Photo. It's long, 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 long. Car type. Yeah. In my career, I see a lot of strange things. So, okay, maybe I have it somewhere there. Driver notification settings. It's in DB, so it's entity. away a cron, but we can save longer cron. Okay, driver tags. TT. Yeah, not this. And tag can be longer. Property is required. Yes. This can go away. Driver car. It connects driver with car. Yes, driver can have many cars. I need to. The previous was faster. Index KID. Level GPS. Done here. Moving faster. Those ints. No, it will be every time. Driver chat. Namespace. This one. Entity ID, driver ID. So chat ID, driver ID, because only admin can write to driver. Yeah, don't want to think about what is this, because I was thinking about it when I was drawing it. Message, entity, nothing. Shit, chat ID, yes. Can be. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, I'm not even breathing. For tier entity configuration. Yeah, I see that will be problem. Maybe entity. No, it's good. Oh, partial. I didn't. Yeah, need to delete customer tag and entity. I have it here. Yes, okay. No, it's card tag. Customer tag is here. It's also 250. Mm-hmm. And there's a lot, but not as many. Fixed price. I think I should go through it because GPT didn't uh, check some things with prices, but it should be fast. Attitude. Not really. Maybe double, I think. Fixed price. Cash. Okay. Okay. Portier. That's what I'm working on. Okay, this go away. Okay, this is driver. Not fixed price. I'm working for 18 minutes now. Not as much. Let's make it in 30. Admin. Okay. Yeah, the code is really much simpler without this shit's price. Yeah, this should be decimal. 2 from, okay. Maybe, I think it's enough. Enough until first error. Entities, row. From row 2, number, guest name. 250. Okay. Yeah, I think there is missing created at. This should be. We don't need to set the required. required things. They will be automatically required. Driver entity, route requesting, from to price sheet, guest name, to guest name, no, 250, requested driver, external driver requesting, okay, external is cancelled, black, how is it written? Fuck. This way. So, what's wrong with Copilot? I see this earning should be entity, and this router should be entity. Priority, entity, everything should be entity. This also. Payment. Black. Paid by me. Paid yes. Okay. Now it starts to be a lot of work, I think. We are at 25 minutes. I think it's okay. Resources can be unlimited. Google Cache I already have. Uh, we want to have some abrefs. I don't know Google, so it can be maybe 5,000 will be enough. I wanted to set unlimited, but yes, some limit is good for every case. Now requesting entity. Yeah, we are finishing. System setting. Property, person found. Notification code, okay. Most used addresses. Do we have all entities? Okay. Okay. And now we already have driver repository, and okay, so now I'm going to create. Yeah, we have driver repository. So let's create from this. Now we can cache metrics. Oh, nothing. Let's wait. Why this cancel doesn't cancel? Yeah. Now it's starting to look. Okay, and so we'll call for DB sets. Now we are on 30 minutes, but yeah, we have the entity part ready. So now we need to just create repositories and add the things to context, and we are done. Yeah, this is nice. So we can generate it because we don't have nested object and shit. Yeah, guess. So we copy it and let's continue. And I will just start with it. And it's because of those shits. driver. Move to car repository. Okay, so I will do it this way. Move it. Yeah, I need to think about how it can be done better. Yeah, to save time. So this. There is nothing to broke, I think, in this pattern. If there will be problem, we will see it. It's also better formatted than in this. I can't even imagine if you will have to implement every of this repository, and also in every repository you need to implement logging and tracing and even the get by ID and create and to get all and increment and I don't know everything and the logging everywhere and and I'm tired now, not even after a month of works. Yeah, it's constant. You don't have constants, I think. Yeah, we don't use it now. Maybe I will add later. It is not hard to add or remove anything. And also it performs better if you don't have those nested includes. Yeah, there it stopped. So how are we going? Guest. Okay. So 45 minutes. I wanted to in 30, but I think you will do it in 3 months. How to complete we have already. System abref. Driver, yeah, this. Yeah, and I'm using Rider because Visual Studio doesn't support refactory operations. But yeah, it does, but it sometimes broke my code. So now I'm fine. I can check for namespaces if it's good. Okay, we have repositories. We don't need to register them because they are registered automatically. So now I need to add them in the set. And also normally you would need to go through all your entities and create audits and such a things. So I'll just copy it also to this DB context, and I have in entities audit template. Run my generator. I see it increases. We can look. We have audit for every method. Yeah, it's like 2,500 of code that I don't need to write. Also, in each repository, there's a lot of code that I don't need to write. And I think I'm good. Now I will remove the initial this, and because I did some changes even to the driver, I make a new initial migration. Okay, here we have it. Yes. So we have thousands of code for migrations. And if I run the code, yeah, I think we already have. So we use Taxilite 3. Okay, now we will migrate everything. And when I look to the beaver, is it? Yeah, Taxilite 3, tables. So we can get with authorized. Yes. Okay, it didn't migrate it. I don't know why. I think it migrates to another. I need to change also in second DB context. Let's check migrations. There's nothing. Yeah. So it didn't run the migrations. So maybe I need to run them manually. Okay, so update database. Yeah, it's not migrating. also had to run manually, maybe something in program CS, but okay, it's okay. Now it's figure when it starts. The quartz takes some time to start, even if no job, as I see. Yeah, we are fine. DB is fine. Everything working. See you next time.